Today I will be reviewing vice grip, known as a wire cutter. This is a 6-in-1 feature, one tool that has 6 features. It's amazing. First is a plier, second it's a wire stripper, you got a cutter, you got a loop to loop the electrical wire, and you also have a screw cutter and a crimper, which is nice to crimp cable wires. So let's get to it. I will be giving 6 examples of what the tool can do. So the first is the plier, which is great for grabbing in tight spots. It's easy to grab things, easy to pull. So I'm going to show you guys how to strip a wire. Grab your wire. So typically this is a 12 gauge or a 14 gauge. All you have to do is slide it on, hold it, and pull. That's how easy it is. Done. Simple, easy, not a lot of force. You also have a screw cutter, which is nice because I've never seen a tool that can cut screws to the exact size you need. Sometimes it's too long, definitely need to trim it down. So let's try it out. So this would be 1 and 24. So any length you want, put some force down. Mess with it a little bit. Look at that. I'm going to show you guys how to loop a cable. Kind of extract the insulating cable. So here, do it with a plier to loop it, but it takes a lot of work. What I like to do is actually put it in the looper right here, slide it in, and turn. Check that out, super easy. Pretty tight. Alright, the next feature I want to show you is how to crimp cable wires to the adapter, especially if you're trying to wire a car. So typical wire crimp right here for cars. And of course it's color coordinated, so you can just match the color. It's blue. And let's crimp it. Boom, done. It's crimped. Not going anywhere. Pretty cool, right? Please like and subscribe. Thank you.